Hey guys, my name is Kaylee. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For this video, I thought that I could show you how I do my wings eyeliner. I've had a lot of people ask me about how I do it, how I get my wings so sharp, and the answer is I've been doing it since I was in like 8th or 9th grade, so I've had a little bit of practice at it. I'm definitely not a professional. It still comes out looking a little crazy sometimes, but you know, you live and learn. I've also learned that depending on what eyeliner you use, it depends on how good the wing is actually going to be, because you can't have a good wing if you don't have good eyeliner. And one that I've come across that I really like is the Maybelline Master Precise, which this is my favorite eyeliner. I don't think I'm ever going to use anything else. It's just in the color black, and it's got a really nice felt tip, and it's super sharp. And that super sharp tip, that makes it so much easier to just get like that point just perfect how you want it. Alright, but first thing that I like to do is I'll just kind of start in the middle of my eye and make my way to the end. And we're just going to kind of feather it out and make us an outline, then we're going to fill it in. So, alright. Okay, now we get the top looking how we want it. I'm just going to go to the bottom, and it helps if we pull the skin a little bit tight to kind of help this, the little jumps that it'll do. And it'll make it look a little bit more smooth. Alright, I just gotta fill that in. Now we're just gonna connect it. Alright, so we have that eye done, and I'm just gonna do this side real quick. It's okay if they look a little different, obviously, but I don't think I did too shabby. I haven't worn eyeliner in probably like a month or two, but it will never not be one of my favorite things to do. Alright, now I'm just gonna go in and I'm gonna add some mascara real quick. It's upside down. I'm gonna add some mascara real quick to make it look a little bit more put together. An unrelated tip, if you ever get mascara anywhere else where it's not supposed to be, like I get it real bad like under there and on the top of my eyelid right there, and if you just kind of let that mascara dry and then you go back and you use an eyebrow brush and you just kind of scrape that, it just comes right off and it'll look like you never messed up, but you just did it perfect to begin with. And that is how I do my eyeliner. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I will catch you next time. Bye guys.